If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Michy. If you know you're a returning subscriber, hi. For those who have subscribed, welcome and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. For those who haven't, and you know this is maybe the third time or the fourth time you're coming on to see my videos, feel free to subscribe. Otherwise, if you like what you see, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments down below, and let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Morphe. I'm going to use the Morphe 350 palette. I just wiped it down. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna use these shades right here. I'm gonna stay on the cooler shades. So to begin with, we're going to take a transition shade. I'm going to start with Soft Fetch. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush. I bought it from DM. Just gonna tap on Soft Fetch. Always tap off the excess. And if you've been watching my videos, you already know I'm not going to put this in the crease because I have hooded eyes. I'm going to put it just above the crease. And I'll just begin by tapping it on, like so. Then you just want to blend it using a swiping motion. I'm going to start going into the cooler shades, and I'm going to use Setup. So I'm going to put Setup on the outer V, and I'm using a fluffy brush. So I'm not putting it on the crease. I'm putting it just above my normal crease and bringing it down. And first, I'm just using tapping motions. I'm using my BH Cosmetic brush number 7. If you've really watched, I'm not going to blend it till on the inner side. I'm just gonna keep it right out on the outer side of my eye. Next, we're going to use the shade Seriously, and we're going to use Seriously on the lower part of the eyelid, and really try to avoid the crease to begin with. Just to begin with. This I'm going to use a more precise brush. I'm going to tap off the excess and just apply it on the outer. So for the crease shade, we're going to use Cafe, and I'm going to use a Morphe 3506 brush and just put it exactly onto my crease. And I'm gonna just press it on. Oh, that's a dark brown. Oh, wow. Girl! Whew. I don't even think I gotta go twice into this pigment. Make sure you really blend this. It's quite a dark brown cafe. Cafe is very dark. So after that, you're going to go with the brush that you used at the beginning. You can add product or not. Just blend, blend, blend. We're trying to get rid of all the harshness. Then you're going to take the second brush you used. You're just going to go right there. Blend. And then you're going to take the brush that you actually used and you're going to blend that a little bit more. Blending makes a whole difference. It looks a mess right now, but it's gonna come together. It's gonna come together. Trust the process. So guys, for the inner lid shade until the middle part, we are going to go in with Slide. This flat brush. So I'm just gonna tap on Slide and tap off the excess and just put it on the lid. Just tap it on. And make sure you're taking it right above the crease. On the inner corner of the eye, just take it a little bit higher so that, you know, when you open your eyes that, or when you, I don't know, move your eyes, that it still builds up. If you have hooded eyes, you know what I mean. This is what we have at the moment, and I think okay, I love the outcome. The only thing that's disturbing me is that it's a little bit too kind of gray, no, kind of too hell, too. Oh Gott! Ich weiß es nicht. Was soll ich jetzt sagen? Es ist ein bisschen. Ja, ich würde noch mit einer Brunshade vielleicht ein bisschen blenden. Und zwar nämlich die gleiche. So I'm going to take this brush, the brush I used on Seriously, and I'm gonna go into. I really don't want to go into a dark shade. I'm gonna go into maybe. A little bit of chalk. Will I regret this? Probably. Just to get rid of that. It's really not working. Is it me? Okay, on me, on the mirror it looks good now, but then. I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'm going to be back. I'm going to come back and then we're going to see if this look is successful or not. At the moment, it's not looking put together. When I look at it in the mirror, I don't know, it's really not what I had imagined it would come out. Like, this is not this is not the imagination that I had in my head. I tried it before. I must have just mixed up the colors. Maybe I should have used Unreal. I don't know. We're gonna see. So guys, here is the complete look. I wasn't really sure if it's gonna come out so good. Thank God it all came together. Otherwise, I would have been so disappointed that I have to redo the whole look. And anyway, so this is the look, and yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below, and what else? Oh yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye.